Okay, this continues section 4.6. We're talking about total value problems. Example number 41. I buy almonds in bulk and they cost $2.35 per pound. We want to find a formula for the total cost, T, of P pounds of almonds. So a total value problem, remember, is a rate times a number of units that's in the bottom of the rate, and that's going to equal the total value, which is the numerator of the rate. And so our problem here, excuse me, we have the T is the total cost, and this is the total cost of dollars per pound, and we have number of pounds being multiplied by this. And that number of pounds is going to be our independent variable, the thing that we'll put into this. So number of pounds, that's going to be the P. So now that we have all the pieces that will go into this, then we can go ahead and set the problem up. So the dollars per pound we know is $2.35. And then we can plug into our original, and we can find the cost for the 5 pounds of almond. So our total cost here, T, is going to be $2.35 times our pounds P. And then in the next part of the problem, we're going to find out the total cost for 5 pounds of our almonds. And so now we're going to say that the total cost, T, is equal to $2.35 times the 5 pounds. And now we have 5 times 5, which is 25. Carry the 2, 15 plus 2, which is 17. Carry the 1, 10 plus 1, which is 11. And 2 decimal points in that. And we see that our total cost is $11.75. Now the next thing that we can do is we can use this equation to solve for the number of pounds if we're given a total value. So our part C here, we know the total value to be $28.20. In other words, we're being given this value right here, $28.20. And that is equal to our $2.35 and then times P. And of course now we're going to use the algebraic skills that we've developed in order to find P. So 235, we're going to divide by that. I don't think I can write that because the where it is on the position here. And then divide by that 235 here as well. And on this particular type of problem, it is acceptable to use our calculator. So if we get our calculator out and we go 28.2 divided by 2.35, we get that it is going to be 12 pounds of almonds for this. Just make sure that that's true. Yep, 12 pounds of almonds for that. And so we have P is equal to 12, and 12 is the number of pounds that we get for the almonds. And there's our answer for that one. So what we've learned is that we can still, just like before, get a setup for an equation. And this is just like a linear equation and 2 variables, except for we don't have the baseline. Total value problems just have the rate times the independent variable. Then we can do a substitution problem. We can put in the number of independent and solve for the dependent. And then finally, we can put in for the dependent and solve for the independent. All right, our next lecture, we'll do one more total value problem and we'll wrap out this section.